if you miss Parcl when it started early, this is another opportunity for you to actually participate in another great Solana project. Guys, don't try to miss this project. At all costs, try to participate. And this project is what I'm about to introduce to you. And I want you to follow this video step by step and actually follow every instruction given in this video. Some of you actually joined Parcl when Parcl started phase 2. Some joined recently. Unlike you joining when as at December when some people started. Can you now see the difference, the distance? This is a new, I'm about to introduce you to a new project on Solana blockchain that you cannot afford to miss. All right, let's get down to business. Just as you can see on the screen, you can see the name of the project. It is called Dflow. It is called Dflow. This project started 3 days ago. That means it's now three days old. You can start. Just make sure you start. Get your Solana ready. Now, the phase they are now is phase 0, which is early access to those who are joining early. And here you can see they start February. I said 3 days ago for early access. And very soon, when they get to phase 1, it is when the app will be launched. And then also phase 2 will be when the token will actually be launched. And what actually counts for you is your XP point that determines your point and your reward. Now, don't actually waste time. Just get started. Just get started now. You can see the reward. Just come here. You can see login and sign up. Let me show you from the Twitter page to actually affirm this as well. Now, if you come to the Twitter page, you can see this project is just growing. This is it, and then they are just 18k followers. Don't wait till when they get to 100,000 followers. Now you can see today we are delighted to announce the next phase of Dflow, a new protocol and technology and app accelerated by the Dflow X campaign. Early access sign up for the app is live now. Look at the time they tweeted 3 days ago, and you can see this project is such a project built on Solana chain, just as you can see as a Solana legend. All right, guys, let's go and start farming XP point for this great project being built on Solana. Now, to get started, the first thing you need to do is just to go and download Phantom. If you don't have Phantom wallet, or perhaps I recommend Phantom wallet. Go to Play Store and download Phantom wallet. Or if you are such somebody who use extension, you can download Phantom wallet and install it on your extension, and then make sure you keep your 12 or 24 seed phrases. Keep them safe. And here, after you've actually signed and then you've set your Solana wallet, then you can click on the link below this video, which is dflow.net, dflow.net. Then once you click and then you come to your Solana, if you are using Phantom app, just click here on this sign to launch the website on the dApp. Then once you launch it on the dApp, then it will load the page like this. Once you see the page loaded here, and then you see this page, you get the next thing you to do is to sign up. Click on login or sign up. When you click on login to sign up, then you input your email in order to create your Dflow account. You get. Let me just paste my Gmail and then I click on continue. Just click continue to continue. They will send a code to you, which you can go to your Gmail and quickly copy and paste it. Let's go. Then just paste the code. They will try to scan it to see if the code is actually valid. You must be fast when you are copying. Quickly copy and come back. You can see it is valid. Then it will take us to the next page, which is to create our password. You can see they have already created automatic username for me. You can change it on your dashboard. Okay, click on secure account. To secure account, create your password. Then you click continue. Then confirm the password. Then after confirming the password by inputting the same password, tick here, tick there, and then you click on set password. Then you wait. Then you can see account secured. Then after that, Dflow neither save your hand. Then you'll move to the next page. Just click here to X the pop-up. Then the next thing you need to do is you need code. Without this code, you cannot proceed. You cannot do anything. You cannot go further. Then that's why you need to join my Telegram group to actually request for code, or you can check on the description below this video for code, or perhaps you might not be able to copy on the description below this video. Join my Telegram group to request for group that Luga Digital. I need code to participate in Dflow early access airdrop. Then I will give you the code. Join the group. Now you just need to paste the group here. Paste the code. Paste the code, because the code is actually limited. You get it's limited. There's a way you can generate it. Okay, here you just have to paste the code here, and before you can continue. Then once you get the code, just paste it here. You can see. Then check if the code is actually valid by clicking redeem invite code. If the code has been used by someone else, that means it will not be valid for you. You check, you can see the code is actually valid. That's why it accepts. Now, this is my account. And now once you get here, you will notice here that I have wallet address automatically being created for me by this platform, and it is built on Solana. Like I told you, it is Solana. This is a Solana project. The network is Solana. Now, apart from that, you can check here to see the tokens you can deposit for eligibility. Click on that. Just click on see eligible tokens. When you click there, you will see tokens, history, address. On address, this is my address. I can deposit my SOL or any coin that I want to. Especially SOL, most especially. And read here, they said the more and earlier you deposit, the more XP you earn. It means that the more you deposit, the more XP you earn. If you deposit $50, $100, $1,000, that determines what you will be earning on this platform and on this project. Guys, don't joke with this project. Don't joke with this project. I'm telling you, deposit as much as you can. And then here, if you click on history, I've not deposited. Once I deposit, it will appear here. If I click on token, you will see the minimum you can deposit is actually $5. But deposit above $5, you get, because of the fluctuation of the coin. In case the coin comes down, just deposit from $10, $50, $100, $200, as much as you can afford, depending on your capacity. Then once you deposit, to reflect, and after you've deposited, it will reflect on your balance. And then also note this. Whatever you deposit, withdrawing funds during phase 0 will reset your XP. After you've deposited, if you try or attempt to withdraw, it's going to reset your XP. This means any decrease in account balance at any point. That means if you try, let's say you've deposited $100, you now want to remove that $100, it will affect your XP point reward. It's just better, and then you wait till the end of this airdrop event before you can withdraw. There you can withdraw your fund, is your money, you get. But it is this money is what generates XP points for you, you get. And also look here, depositors will get early access to Dflow. The more and earlier you deposit, the more XP you actually get. Just fund your account to earn more. And not only that, before we think of funding, okay, if you want to fund your accounts now, what you do is here, you come here. When you come here, click on the 3 lines, and then you can see some other details. You can decide to edit your username. Also, you can, this is where you copy your wallet to deposit, you get. And also you can see export private key. This private key, you can copy it by clicking on export that private key and import it in your Phantom wallet, and your balance will still reflect. I will still show you how to do that. The first thing we need to do now is to deposit, because without deposit, we cannot start claiming XP. It is until we deposit and deposit to reflect before we can start claiming XP reward. Alright guys, let me deposit now. I just want to deposit. Click on the 3 line, and then let me copy this address. Let me copy the address. It's still the same address here. You get, from my account. I will copy and I will go and deposit into this account now. Now let me go to my wallet. Here I've already I've already funded my wallet. I've already funded my wallet, which is this my Phantom. Then I would just send the money. I just want to use like Solana. I want to use like $50, 0.5, 0.49. Let me just use this. Why 0.5? So let me use this, and then next. I click on next. I click on send. If you don't have Solana, just go to your whether OKS, whether Binance, anywhere you can get OKS and fund your account. You can fund directly. Then after that, once I've sent it and it has been deducted from my balance, I will just go to Dflow. You click here. This is where you click. I'll just go there. Now, it will take time for your deposit to reflect. It's not going to reflect instantly. I think from 30 minutes upward. You can check anytime from 30 minutes. Whether 30 minutes or 1 hour or 2 hours. It will surely reflect. It will surely reflect. But in case you want to check your what's it called? The money you've deposited. You will see it. Let me show you. Click there. And then you will see here, export private key. If you want to add this private key to see what you have in your balance, reflecting on your Phantom wallet, you will just click on export private key. You will copy the private key there. I wouldn't want to click there. If I click there for security purpose, it will show my private key to the public, and it can affect my account. People can be crazy trying to track down your account. I wouldn't want to click to unveil my private key. I will show you. Let me first copy and show you how I do it. All right, guys. I just intentionally click to unveil it because it has been secured. You cannot see every bit of the letter there. Just copy that private key. Click here. Click here to copy. Copy. Once you copy this private key, then what is the next thing? Just go to your wallet. Go to your wallet. Click here. Go to your wallet. Once you come to your wallet here on your Phantom, click here on this arrow. Click there. You will see manage account. Manage account. Click on manage account. Then you come down here. You come down here and click on add account. Add or connect wallet. Add or connect wallet. Then you will now see here, you will see import private key. Click on import private key. Then you can the chain will be on Solana. Then name it. You can just name it Dflow. You get. Once you name it Dflow, then the next is to paste this private key. Paste the private key, and then you can now import. I wouldn't want to show my private key at this stage because if I paste it, everything will actually show. Let me first do it and I will tell you. Once you have actually pasted it, then you click on import and it will import. Then you can see this is the money I sent to the wallet. This is the money I sent to the wallet, which is the $52. You can see here. It is in you can see here, if I click on receive, you will see this wallet. This is my wallet address. You can see master this Z21S. Let me go and you can confirm that on your account. Click on the browser here. You can confirm that on your account. Allow it to load. In case you are trying to load it back and it's showing login or sign up, you can just click here. Click on reward. Then login and sign up again. Put your email. They will send your code to your Gmail. Once they send code, then paste it there. It will scan and then it will log you back again. To log you back again. You can see the money is yet to reflect here. And you can see this is the wallet. You can see I told you Z21X. It's the same thing that you imported. Once the money actually, you just come back in the next 30 minutes or 1 hour or 2 hours. Just always check back. It will reflect. After it has reflected, then you can now click on claim XP reward. You can click on claim XP reward to claim your XP reward. To claim your XP reward. To claim your XP reward. I think this is how to actually create your account, how to actually participate, deposit, and how to actually claim your reward, and also how to actually import your same account given to you through your what's it called, the phrase key, or what's it called, you get. That's, I think this video has actually covered a lot. After you've done that, after you've come back in the next 30 or 1 hour to check back, once this has reflected, then you claim your reward. You will see your dashboard, and you'll be able to generate your invite code. You will see it appearing at the around top here. You will see generate invite code. You can now generate your own code, which you can share to your friends or your people. You get, which you can share with your people. And here let me just try to use someone account. Let me just try to use someone account to show you how it will reflect. Let me try to use someone account to show you how it will reflect. All right, guys, let me just show you the screenshot of someone who has done it. The person actually that I got the info from. You get. Let me show you the screenshot. Now look at this screenshot. As you can see here, this is the person actually deposited minimum of $5. It will reflect, and then you can see the ranking. You can see the reward, XP reward. I told you that after that you just click to claim your reward. Then he got 24 XP. That is what he will be getting based on what he deposited. You get. And also you can decide to be checking back every day for you to claim your XP reward. And because I'm just doing this thing today, that's why I'm making the live video to explain this process to you. You get. Now imagine someone who is getting 24 XP on the deposit of $5.5 and above. Imagine someone who is using $50. How much the person will be getting? Imagine someone who is using $100. How much the person will actually be getting? Imagine someone who is using $200. That means your fund, whatever you deposit, your deposit funds is what determines what you will be getting. And then here, this where you will see generate invite code here. That's where to generate code for you. You get. The code is once the person has generated the code for you, once it has been used, that's all. You cannot use the code again until another one is generated. That is how it will be. Guys, don't joke on this. Just as those who farm Parcl point at early stage farmed it, join now and start claiming your XP. You get. That's just all about it. Let me go back to my account. All right, guys, this is my account. You see, it has not reflected. I told you that in the next 30, 1 hour or 2 hours, just check back. It will reflect, and then once it has reflected, just click claim XP reward, and then also check back the following day as well if you have to be claiming every day, every 24 hours, or if it is automatic. This is a new project. You get. Now you can click here for other things, like you can decide to edit your username here if you like, and this is your wallet address. You get, like I told you. Then I think this is all. If let me go back on my wallet, don't forget this is the money I deposited. I have imported the seed phrase, the private key, and that's why it is showing here. I can decide to withdraw my money if I'm not interested, but I will not receive XP. I will not be getting XP points. The moment you withdraw the money, the fund, that means the system will be reset. Your account will be reset, and you will not be getting XP anymore. You get. Because I've imported this in my wallet, in my Phantom wallet. I have access to it, but it's just for it to reflect on the Dflow website page, and I start receiving my XP. This is everything I think I need to let you know about this platform. Get started, get registered, fund your account, and be farming your XP daily. And don't forget, whatever amount you start with is what determines what you'll be getting. With this $52, imagine $5 is giving like 24 XP. Let me say multiply 20 by 20 times 10, or 20 times how many? Okay, $5 times 10, 5 times 10, 50. And 20 times 10, that means like I should be expecting minimum of 200 XP on a daily basis. You get. Imagine someone who put $100, $200 and the likes. It's not left to you, whatever you can afford. But remember, the minimum you can start with is nothing less than $5. But make sure it's just above $5 if you don't have more capacity to deposit more funds. The earlier the better, guys. Thank you so much. This is where I'm going to end the video. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel and my community. And don't forget to join to ask for code. Alright guys, bye for now.